こんにちは。
Do you want to speak Japanese with confidence? If the answer is yes, this video is perfect for you. Today, let's describe more things. Just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to say Sakura is beautiful, for example. The structure is new expressions, practice, and summary. Master Japanese through my natural approach and gain confidence. And please call me Arai sensei. From part 5 lesson 2, you can say Mount Fuji is a famous mountain. Try. Yes. 富士山は有名な山です。有名な modifies the following word 山。Good start. So we studied na, thing, des structure. Like this. Now you don't want to mention mountain because it's obvious and say Mount Fuji is famous. Then you say 富士山は有名です。Of course, you can drop a thing following after 有名な and then please drop na itself in this structure. Okay? Repeat after me. 富士山は有名です。富士山は有名です。Good! Now let's learn more useful words. Beautiful or clean, きれいな。きれいな。Convenient, 便利な。便利な。Free about time or schedule, 暇な。暇な。Okay or manageable in a certain situation, 大丈夫な。大丈夫な。Simple and easy, 簡単な。簡単な。Do you remember you learned 優しい? This is used only as easy, not as simple. Okay? Next, hardworking and dedicated. 真面目な。真面目な。Now let's use the words in a sentence. Okay, コンビニ Convenient, of course. Try. Yes, コンビニは便利です。Well done. Next, 桜 Beautiful. Go. 桜はきれいです。Good. このトイレ Clean. Yes. このトイレはきれいです。Fantastic. Okay, let's ask now. Yes, no question. Now you're X and let me ask you. X さんは今日暇ですか? Try. For example, はい、暇です。or いいえ、暇じゃないです。So not changes to じゃない in negative. In the previous lesson, you learned it becomes くない in negative. It's different, okay? Okay, repeat after me. 暇じゃないです。暇じゃないです。Good. Now your turn. Ask me. Yes, 新井先生は今日暇ですか? いいえ、暇じゃないです。仕事します。Next, open question. First of all, I want to say, コロナは大変です。So I want to know about your condition. X さんはどうですか? Do you remember the question word どう from the last lesson? So どう is used with this. Okay, so X さんはどうですか? Your answer? Description です。I hope X さんは大丈夫です。Now ask my condition. Yes, 新井先生はどうですか? 大丈夫です。Let's summarize the lesson. Today we studied more adjectives ending with na on its own with X or Y で structure and question か。Answers はいです。いいえじゃないです。Wow, you watched until the end. 真面目です。New start, new you. Become a confident Japanese speaker in this new academic year. Have you ever learned from a highly qualified and extensively experienced native Japanese teacher? Can you imagine how different your language learning journey will be? Accelerate your learning through high quality lessons. No more memorizing, no more wasting time, No more stress. Feel great about your progress. You will quickly be able to express yourself and your needs, behave like the native Japanese speaker, and study Japanese effectively. Yes, you can! See the difference what Matt experienced. Before, I couldn't find a textbook or course that suited me. It was annoying that I had to waste lots of money on books and classes that didn't help my studies. But Arai Academy provided me tailor-made lessons where the teaching staff really understood my level, and now I feel much more confident when communicating in Japanese. My students answered the questions about their Japanese language journey before and after joining Arai Academy. On average, their progress speed was 3.7 times more, and their confidence level in speaking Japanese was 4 times more. Will you keep the same method, or are you ready to become a successful Japanese speaker? Click the link, try a lesson, and see the difference. www.araiacademy.com/MinekoArai profile. I wish you a smooth journey. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.